Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Today we'd like to tell you about this beautiful 2010 Range Rover Sport. It's a metallic black, Santorini Black it's called, with black interior. It has 29,000 miles on it, original, and it is in fantastic condition. The wheels were just refinished. These are original wheels, and they were refinished in a OEM powder coated black, gloss black, and they're to OEM specifications. The vehicle has brand new rotors, pads, front and rear. It's equipped with keyless entry, keyless ignition. You also have multiple cameras. There's one on each mirror for side view. There's one on the front. Let's see. Yeah, actually there's two in the front, in the bumper. And then you have parking sensors as well. This has also xenon active headlights with high beam assist, high pressure washers. The mirrors are power folding. Tailgate has, you can open just the top half independently from the whole hatch for easy loading. All the lights are in great condition. They don't show any age whatsoever. The body's beautiful. It's not dinged up at all or scratched. Original paint. Here's a look at the inside. Seats are like new. So look at the headliner. Heated seats in the back. Real nice wood grain trim. Some cottonwood tree stuff here. It's that time of year. Again, the seats are about as close to new condition as you can get, as well as the rest of the interior. Harmon Kardon premium sound system, memory seats. This is trimmed with leather on the doors. That was an option, as well as leather on the dashboard. All the switches and everything, they do not show any wear. Again, as close as new as you can get. There's the mileage, 29,350. I'm going to start it up for you. There we go, no warning lights. The engine's not totally warmed up, so the RPMs are up. They'll go down shortly. Factory navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio. The engine purrs like a kitten. Sounds just like a 29,000 mile Range Rover should. Has the has the cooled fridge. That's part of the luxury package. Here's a look at the engine compartment. super clean. It's hard to see much with the covers. Here's a look at the rear compartment. Naturally, the seats fold down flat, and the cargo covers included. A lot of times they are missing. And here's the jacks and tools. Here we are back in the front of the vehicle. Again, this vehicle is in impeccable condition. Very hard to duplicate with 29,000 miles on it. We had the underbody undercoated with Krown oil-based undercoating. So it's not a tar substance, it's just oil and transparent. And it really is a great treatment for the suspension, the steering, and the underbody, and even the electrical connectors. And we have some photos of that you can take a look at. We also had the front control arm bushings replaced. That's a thing that wears out with age, and so we had it taken care of. So the vehicle's in great shape mechanically and cosmetically. Thank you for looking in. Please give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.